Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we will going to discuss some of the very important MCQs based on Indian Penal Code. So let's start our video. Our first question is, the leading case on section 83 of IPC is option A, Bishambar versus Rumal, option B, Devnarayan versus State, option C, Ullah versus King, option D, Dayabai Chhaganbhai Thakkar versus State of Gujarat. So the correct answer is option C, Ullah Mahapatra versus the King. This case is of 1950. So यहाँ पे आप लोग सेक्शन 83 ऑफ IPC 1860 देख सकते हैं दैट कोई भी एक्ट ऑफेंस नहीं होगा इफ इट इज डन बाय a child above 7 year of age and under 12 year of age who has not, this is very important, who has not attained sufficient maturity of understanding to judge the consequences and nature of his conduct. So let's see the second question. Which of the following is leading case on intoxication? Option A, Nathulal versus State of MP. Option B, Director Public Prosecutions versus Beard. Option C, Barrow versus Isaacs. Option D, none of these. So the correct answer is option B, Director of Public Prosecutions versus Beard. ये केस 1920 का है. So यहाँ पे हम थोड़ा इंटॉक्सिकेशन के बारे में देख लेंगे दैट it is a state of mind in which the person is incapable of knowing the nature of act and he was doing that act which was neither wrong or contrary to law. And जो ये केस है डायरेक्टर ऑफ पब्लिक प्रोसिक्यूशंस वर्सेस बियर्ड, ये सेक्शन 85 एंड 86 पे बियर्ड है, 86 पे बेस्ड है, which provides immunity to an intoxicated person if the thing was given to him without his knowledge or against his will. So let's see our next question. Which of the following case is known as the Lamington Road shooting conspiracy case? Option A, R versus Blake and Ty. Option B, In Re and Ramanatnam. Option C, Emperor versus Vishwampayam. Option D, Mirza Akbar versus King Emperor. And the correct answer is option C, Emperor versus G.R. Vishwampayam. ये 1931 का केस है. इसमें ये ब्रिटिशर्स होते हैं, ब्रिटिशर कपल होता है, उसके ऊपर फायर कर दी जाती है. So let's see our next question. The ambit and scope of the offense of sedition under section 124A of the Indian Penal Code was considered by a 5-judge bench of the Supreme Court in the case of option A, Common Cause versus Union of India. Option B, Kedarnath Singh versus State of Bihar. Option C, Raghuveer Singh versus State of Bihar. Option D, Balbir Singh versus State of UP. And the correct answer is option B, केदारनाथ सिंह वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ बिहार. ये 1962 का केस है जो कि सेक्शन 124A ऑफ IPC पे बेस्ड है. सेक्शन 124A ऑफ IPC कहता है अबाउट सेडिशन कि व्हाट इज सेडिशन. सो लेट्स सी. Whoever by words, either spoken or written, or by signs or by visual representation or otherwise brings or attempts to bring into hatred or contempt or excites to attempt to excite disaffection towards the government established by law in India shall be punished with imprisonment for life, to which fine may be added, or with imprisonment which may extend to 3 years, to which fine may be added, or with fine. So ये काफ़ी मतलब लीडिंग केस है, तो आप इसके बारे में ज़रूर पढ़ना, और ये आजकल सेडिशन का इशू चलता भी रहता है. So let's see our next question. The distinction between section 299 and section 300 of IPC was first elaborately discussed in the following case. Option A, Vasudev versus Uttar Pradesh. Option B, Daudiyal versus state. Option C, Om Prakash versus state of Punjab. Option D, R versus Govinda. And the correct answer is ऑप्शन डी, आर वर्सेस गोविंदा. ये 1877 का केस है. इसमें कल्पेबल होमिसाइड दैट इज सेक्शन 299 एंड मर्डर दैट इज सेक्शन 300 के डिफरेंस के बारे में बताया हुआ है. सो ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्रूशियल केस है. सो इसके बारे में आप ज़रूर पढ़ना. द की एलिमेंट इज दैट देयर शुड बी एन इंटेंशन ऑफ कॉजिंग द डेथ. The lordship had put forward another opinion that the offence committed by the accused was not murder but culpable homicide amounting to murder. ये इसका डिसीजन था फाइनल. सो ओके, थैंक यू गाइस. अब नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं.